Okay, so this vlog will be my 5th official vlog. I'm super excited. So this vlog will start off, I actually go back to my old high school's football game. They are in the playoffs. This was their second round. So I went to go watch, and it was about an hour away from where we live. It was in Brownsville. It was McAllen High School, Mac High for short, versus Brownsville Rivera. And we fought. We actually went against them last year in the first round, and we lost. So this year we go up against them again, and spoiler, we lost. But it was a really good game. They lost in overtime. I went to go because my goddaughter Lauren is actually a cheerleader. And then a few other clips are meeting my friend Cameron. You get to meet my other friend Christy. We went through a thunderstorm, and let's see, I'm trying to think what else. Well, you'll see it right now. All right, have fun. I'm at Mac High's second round playoff game. The game's almost started, so we're gonna find our seats now.
Thank you. Please remain standing for the McAllen Bulldogs school song.
These are called jingles. You like my jingles?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Co-captain.
Good job. I love you. You're gorgeous. Hi, Victoria. If everyone remembers, that is my goddaughter Lauren.
I already did.
La 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 la. The last football game of your junior year. It's okay.
Take one last picture.
It's okay. That car has been honking at us for like the past 10 minutes. I'm so on the edge of just ready to rip down their door and ripping off the steering wheel.
Howdy, I'm Cameron Coyle.
Cameron is one of my bestest friends in the whole entire world.
But most importantly, I'm the loudest and proudest member of the Fire Tech Society class of 2017. A.
Yes, he's also part of the core, A&M.
That's
You were actually, wait, didn't you post a picture yesterday, or the other day about you being in the T, or like the
Oh
formation?
yeah, the block T.
Ooh, how did that feel?
I was on Kyle Field in front of like 140,000 people on the field. I felt like I was part of the football team.
Well,
in uniform, obviously, though.
Well, we're glad you're here for the weekend, Cameron, and you're gonna come back for Thanksgiving.
Yes, ma'am.
Woo! Okay, you gonna say
Ladies,
bye now.
no, I'm just kidding. I did that out.
Alright, bye-bye, Cameron.
That's like how mine started.
Okay, Cameron, what did you just say?
Well, I just came back from my dad's wedding.
That's why he's so dressed up.
I looked at myself after I got dressed. I was like, damn, I look pretty good. Pretty damn good. How in the world am I single? So ladies, I'm just kidding. But still, I don't understand. It's a mystery. That's it.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you see that lightning?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we have a thunderstorm here in the valley, and it's pretty intense. We're trying to drive back to my house, but there's so much lightning and so much storm and thunder and rain. Oh my gosh, I feel like no more. I don't want this anymore, this weather.
I like rain, but not when it's super scary, as if I'm gonna die, like in those movies. Dude, I really hope I got a call
Oh my God, is that
and
a
a
video?
text message, yes, from my friend Christy. And then all of a sudden I hear the door ring and I realize it's her. Yay! Christy's home for at least 2 days.
I don't know what to do when the camera's on me.
Just be fabulous, because you're gorgeous. She's really gorgeous.
You're making me feel weird. Stop.
Okay, I love you, Christy. Does it smell like Christy? It smells like cookies. My best friend is so awesome. She's looking at my bag of Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers.
This isn't it. Does this smell like snow?
I don't know.
It smells like sparkling snow.
Oh my gosh, I missed her so much. If anyone has gone to the University of Texas, San Antonio, UTSA. Did you just open it with your teeth? She just opened it with her teeth. Don't pee on my floors. These girls. It's supposed to taste gross. It burns. Oh my gosh. If anyone at UTSA knows this girl, say hi and give her some hand sanitizer.
Does it smell like snow?
Oh gosh, Christy.
Noel.
Don't eat it. Christy, would you like to say a message in my vlog?
Don't smoke. It's bad for your lungs. And don't eat hand sanitizer. Because apparently it burns your gums. And when hand sanitizer says it smells like snow, it really doesn't.
Okay, say bye, Christy.
Bye.